It was a clear afternoon at Sanort International Airport, Florida. A routine training flight turned into a life-or-death emergency in less than 5 minutes. At the controls of a Cessna 172, flight instructor Paul Henderson and student pilot Rachel Adams had just taken off for a short practice flight. Rachel was new, this was her 4th lesson, and everything looked perfect, until the engine stuttered mid-air. A sudden sputter. Then silence. Engine failure, Paul radioed. Requesting emergency landing. The tower cleared them to return, but they were too low. At just 700 feet, with the engine completely dead, there was no time to reach the runway. Paul scanned the ground. Trees to the left, buildings to the right, just one small field straight ahead. "Brace yourself," he yelled, guiding the powerless aircraft toward the field. The plane clipped a fence. The landing gear snapped. The Cessna slammed into the grass, skidded nearly 100 feet, and came to a hard stop, just feet from a hangar wall. But against all odds, both survived. Emergency crews arrived within minutes. No fire. No fatalities. Just a wrecked plane and 2 lucky people. The NTSB later confirmed, a loose fuel line caused the engine to fail. A simple maintenance error almost took 2 lives. Paul's quick thinking and calm under pressure saved the day. Rachel, though shaken, returned to flying just weeks later, with Paul by her side. This wasn't just a crash. It was a lesson in survival, in courage, and in the tiny decisions that separate disaster from a miracle. Airplane, this is Plane Crash Zone, where real aviation stories come to life. Subscribe for more.